What's poppin'? Gracie here. You know, that's fucking gross. What do I say? I don't do this. I posted 2 in the last year. Hi guys, what's poppin'? Today we're back here with another video, because I posted 7 months ago. Oh, and there goes the cat.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna get a lot of shit for that.
We are. They're gonna be like, they're making cookies on a table that a fucking cat stands on? Yeah, what about it?
I'm like sunburnt.
I have 3 pimples on my cheek. My one cheek. And I have a bloodshot eye, Brianna. I think your sunburn is okay.
Yeah, it's actually pretty bad. Did it hurt?
No, it honestly just...
Explain what happened.
Story time, we have chickens. Well, they have chickens and pigs. And I was outside feeding the chicks.
Shadow.
And Jessica, she's a fully black one, beautiful by the way, jumps up onto my shoulder. And I'm like, aw, and I turn my head to the side. She fucking pecks my eye. She grabbed it. Her mouth was open. And she fucking grabbed it. I thought she pulled it out of the socket. That's been playing in my head. I'm like, what if that happened? That'd be a cool ass story. A chicken took my eye out. And now I'll put a picture in, but my eye is bloodshot, so I look like I'm high. Partially. I look 50% high. We were gonna do the blind, mute, deaf thing where you bake. We got snickerdoodles. Betty Crocker. Yeah. But my other sister bailed on us because she wanted to go to bed. She's a pussy. Sorry. I forgot I can't say that. Wimp. But I'm gonna be deaf and she's gonna be blind. Rocking my awesome beanie, by the way.
Is it backwards on the thing?
It is, but I'm gonna flip the video. Probably.
Okay.
Because I don't like how I look when I'm inverted.
Yeah.
So.
I get it.
I don't know how to start. Do we just get into it, or I gotta put the fucking AirPods in? Okay.
This.
I'm gonna play Karma. Karma's a bitch. I should have known better. We fucking with it? Oh, okay. You can open it. Just open it.
Okay. Not bad. What else?
There's a baggie in here.
They
Put the cocaine in here.
Oh,
we got the wrong
sugar?
package. Oven's preheating.
Okay.
It's empty into. I gotta get another. Go get a bowl. Go get a bowl. You gotta do something. Go get a bowl. You want me to follow you while you get a bowl?
No, I got it. I'm gonna just feel around.
She's gonna go get a bowl. Just don't trip on the cord.
Yeah.
Stir cookie mix, soften butter, water, and egg until dough forms. I'll do that.
Can it be small? Is it small?
Small. 1 egg. I gotta go wash my hands. Don't trip. I got Rihanna on. We got the other bowl. She grabbed it completely blindfolded. And we got the egg in the bowl. Brianna, you wanna measure the water?
How do I do that?
Blindfolded.
Okay.
We're using a water bottle. Because we don't want to walk to the sink. Are you sure? You gotta put it into the bowl that I'm putting in front of you.
Tell me when to stop.
Move it back. Move it back. Okay, go. You're good. You're good. You can do the butter.
Okay.
Here. Do a.
Oh, it's already open.
Half a 1 stick or half a cup. We don't have enough.
Frank, what are we gonna do?
One more time. Slow.
What?
What? Are we going
to do?
Let me go check the fridge. Don't me. Uh-oh.
What?
Never mind. My lip spike fell off.
My God.
We don't have any. I guess just go with the flow.
Just use all
Scoop
of it?
yeah.
Do I have any?
What?
Do I have any?
That's barely a spoonful.
Should you melt it? I forget you can hear me. Where is it?
There's like no butter in there.
Did I do any?
Wait, let me see.
Show the camera.
We're gonna fuck up these cookies because we don't have enough butter.
Oh well. Dad
Dad
is
still
out.
I'm texting Dad. I'm gonna call him.
Ask him where he's at.
Alright. Pause. We're calling my dad real quick. We're calling Daddy. Dad. Never mind, I'm not gonna say that.
Yeah. What?
Dad, we have an emergency. We have an emergency. I need you to go to the gas station. Something horrible has happened. So you can't stop and get butter?
Sure, where's the store between here and the drug? Oh, wait, there is none.
Okay, sassy.
The neighbor's house.
Yeah. Go over and be like, hola. Pardon
Oh,
me.
there's a lot of butter.
Can we borrow some butter?
That is not a cup of butter, Brianna.
Let's see.
We don't have butter in the camper?
No.
No.
Dad's gonna come in here and find butter in the fridge.
What can we use as like a substitute for butter?
I'll be in a second.
Okay. Bye.
Damn. We should have thought this through.
That was really fucking loud. Padre's home. Not out anymore. So he can't go and stop to get us butter. And that's how much butter we have. Hold on. That's how much butter we got.
That's what we're working with.
And that's what we're working with. No, I don't have a tripod. Leave me alone. Dad! We got two
I
bright
see.
lights. Cameron!
Where did you go?
How much do you love us?
He's gonna say.
Huh? Sharks. I'm gonna need you, or I need $1 grand. No, 10 grand. No, 100 grand. You to drive somewhere. To operate my business. To get butter so I can finish making this fucking video. And in exchange,
Step aside, bro.
shut the fuck up. In exchange, I'll give you 50%. I'll give you a cookie.
You need 100 grand for a cookie?
Okay.
What did you do? Whatever you did, it worked.
Huh?
I said, whatever you did, it worked.
What?
Whatever you did, it worked.
Whatever I get. That's all I heard.
Yes.
No.
Cameron!
We fuck with the fit. Got the Misfits tee, black shorts, and off-brand combat boots.
You want to do this? I feel like you
I'm gonna continue stirring it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. No,
That was
this
like
works.
I had the idea.
Oh no, there's a lot of fucking powder in here. Never mind. Payphone trying to call. Oh, you just touched a spoon of butter. You had something on you.
I'm sure.
I.
That was a fail.
That is not it. That is not a dough. We can put it back in there. How do we make this more doughy?
I think we can add flour.
Maybe
right?
put more butter?
flour.
Flour? You're so smart. All right. So fucked up the dough, but fixed it by adding flour. Sniff.
Oh, I can't.
Guys,
Hold on,
smell?
hold on. Let me smell. I can't smell anything. Oh, she can't hear me.
Is it a dough now? Oh, you want to smell it?
Yes, Gracie. I
Smell.
want to smell. Gracie.
Smells like
I
flour.
want to smell. It smells like flour.
I gotta add a little bit more flour.
No!
It's not dough.
I can't see, so whatever. I'm trusting you.
You stir it. I'm gonna spill it again. Your sleeve is getting in the bowl.
When
My
am I
dad's
supposed to
here.
stop?
Dad, come say hi. Come, get up.
No.
Dad's like embarrassed or some shit. That actually feels nice.
I feel like we just need to knead it. Let me go grab a pan. So I saw Mayan do this when we made cookies last time when I made them with Mayan, and it worked. We're going to pour flour on it, and then we're gonna knead it, the dough, and it'll turn it doughy.
Where's the bowl?
Put the
I want
flour.
to feel the dough.
Give me your finger. It's sticky.
A little bit, yeah.
No. Yeah. Beautiful. No, enough.
That's it.
That's it.
But
That's
I
all.
already-
That's all you need.
It's because I already touched it.
Bread it. Yep. Okay. And now we're gonna take all the dough.
And roll it. Knead it.
And we're gonna. Do you want to knead it?
Yeah.
Give me your arms. There you go. You want me to start working on the other part?
Yeah. This is how cats knead. This feels nice.
Oh God, I can't read it. Oh, that's Spanish. It doesn't matter. What are we supposed to do with this sugar packet? Oh, okay.
This feels disgusting. I don't know why I would do this.
Are you talking to me?
No. Nope.
Oh, okay.
Not at all.
Her hand is like the way we stand.
I don't need more than that.
Scissors aren't cutting.
Yeah, that feels nice.
That smells so good.
Oh yeah, that does.
Hey,
I got a whiff of it.
you need more flour?
Yeah. Probably a lot more.
Cup your hands.
Okay.
No. You're gonna dry them. These are gonna be so fucking dry.
That feels very dry now. My hands feel disgusting.
I don't know what she's saying.
It's okay. She doesn't listen to me anyway.
Brianna, start saying random words, and I'll guess them while you're doing that.
Okay. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. That was easy.
Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Ireland.
Again.
Ireland.
Argentina.
Nope.
Oh.
Ireland.
Alligator.
Nope. Ireland.
Aluminum.
No. Ireland.
Irony? I'll need it. I'll need it.
Well,
Give me your
I'm already
hands.
doing
Wait,
it.
hold on. I'm a pro
Can you put
kneader.
some flour in my head? Head? I meant to say hand.
Go wash your hands. You got like half the dough on them. Actually moving the chair for this because I need a sandwich. Need. And every girl I ever talked to told me you were bad news. You called them crazy. God, I hate the way I called them crazy too.
What, Gracie? What? What happened?
Nothing.
I don't know what you're doing.
I don't know what you're saying.
I don't know what you're doing.
I spill a little bit of flour. It's like the tiniest bit. I just keep dropping shit today. Guys, I'm a fucking baker. It's a dough now.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh no, Karma's playing again. Karma's a bitch. Put your hands up.
Holy crap. Yeah, that is a dough. Wow, that feels nice.
I know. I'm gonna rip off the balls, like little balls, and you're gonna dip them in the sugar, coat them, and you're gonna place them on this. I feel like we're gonna make a pretty decent amount of cookies. Even though we lost half the dough in the beginning, but we placed the replouter.
You guess what I say.
Okay.
Okay. Tongue.
Hold on, okay, go ahead.
Tongue.
Sigma,
Tongue.
vagina,
Tongue.
drunk,
Tongue.
junk.
Tongue.
Does it start with J?
No.
T, shrunk,
Tongue.
tuck.
Tongue.
Brianna, I don't know what you're saying. This is her, she's like,
Tongue.
tongue.
How many more of these?
Morgan Wallen.
What?
I don't know.
How many more?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
It's in the bowl. Yo, these are actually like dough. Like, look at that.
I know. Look at this.
My nasty ass. Damn. Like, they're actual dough. I'm surprised we did this. I feel like we would have fucked it up.
I know.
Well, I spilled 2 things, but... Chowing down some strawberry milk right now.
The best.
My fidget spinner is covered in flour. And the... No more? That's it. I kind of want to eat some of it. Oh, you're so smart.
I don't know how good of a job I did, so I want to make sure.
Oh! Oh my god, my ears are ringing. Look at the mess we made.
Oh. That was me, wasn't it?
I mean, most of this was you, except for the sugar on the table. That was me, and that was me because I dropped the flour. I got it all off the floor, but I gotta wipe down the back of the chair. I picked it up like this, and it ripped. And it fell like on the side on the floor.
We made a mess.
And I wasn't
What's
blindfolded.
on my head? Nothing. Oh, it's just a glare.
So, here's our mess. You gotta show the back of the chair. Oh, great. And then here's our little setup. We have the ring light, the other ring light. I don't own a tripod. I don't want to. Here's the cord. I have to step over. That was tripped on multiple times. Look at the chair. The other side's worse. That's funny. Oh Lord. It's 12:40 at night. Lovely. And we started at 11:40. I was like, yeah, it'll take 30 minutes. An hour later, we're just putting them in the oven. This is funny. Take 2 of putting the cookies in the oven, because someone forgot to record. There they go.
Yay!
Let's hope all that cinnamon sugar on the pan doesn't melt. She fell asleep, but her cookies are done. This isn't gonna be good. It's not that bad.